Hello world. Welcome to Tech Blog. In this video we are going to install and configure the Kazam screencaster on Ubuntu 16.04 and higher versions. Well, Kazam is a simple screen recording program that will capture the content of your screen and record a video file that can be played by any video player. Optionally, you can record sound from any sound input device that is supported and visible by Pulse Audio. Now the question is where to get it? Open up the web browser here and search for Kazam. And now scroll down a little bit and you'll find a GitHub link. Open the link in another tab. Scroll down a little bit, you will find an installation manual, latest stable version and launchpad page link of Kazam. I am gonna open it up. And you can download different available versions from here. I am using Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. So, just type sudo apt install Kazam and hit enter key. Put your sudo password and go on. After installation, open the application and click on Kazam. There is. Kazam is running. Actually, it's a small footprint software that can able to take a screenshot, cust your screen. More specifically, you can record a particular window, a particular area. Go to Help and click on About and here you find the installed version of your Kazam. And from the website link you can directly open the Kazam webpage. Close it and get back to the GitHub page and scroll a little bit more, you will find some keyboard shortcuts. There is Super Control Q for quite the application, Super Control R for start recording, P for pause and F for finish recording. Also, you could read the recording tip below here. If you hit the capture button here or press Super Control R from the keyboard, it starts recording your screen. Also, there are options to include cursor, system audio and microphone audio. My recording has started and I am gonna do some activity on my screen, which is going to be recorded as a video format. When you want to finish your recording, just press Super Control F from the keyboard. And from there choose Save for later and continue. This will be your recording name. You can change according to you and then finally click on Save button. Now go to File Browser. Open your save location and here it is, just double-click to play the recording, it's a standard MP4 file. Later on you can edit this file with any video editor. Now dig into Kazam and explore some advanced settings. Go to File menu and open Preferences. In the General tab you can select a particular microphone and turn on and off the countdown splash screen. In the Screencast tab you can adjust frame rate. Actually, Kazam is capable of capturing high frame rate like 48, 50 and 60. And also you can set the recording format. In the Screenshot tab turn on or off shutter sound and shutter type, etc. So, guys, hope this video is helpful to you. Do like and share this video, and hit on the subs button to get the latest update. Tech Blog is signed out for now, see you again. Thank you.